Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, that's half an avocado. These are some marinated artichoke hearts. That's 1 pasture-raised egg. This is 2 slices of sourdough. We're gonna make this with some mayo, some mustard, salt and pepper. Hey, Mike Foster here. How you guys doing? Ready for a killer fried egg sandwich? Haven't made one in a little while. This was gonna be kind of healthy for you. Avocado artichokes, really good healthy for you. Mayonnaise, not too sure. I thought about putting a little cheese on top, but I'm not gonna. Doesn't need it. Let's get the egg going, put that toast down. It's gonna be killer diller. Okay, we're gonna start off with some butter. All right, move that around. Put the egg down. Babies are getting ready. How about a little pepper? Yeah, baby. Get that butter on there. This guy will be ready to flip in about 30 seconds. Okay, I'm going to shut it off. I'm going to give it a little flipperoo. All right. Let's prepare this baby. All right, lightly toasted. Mayo on one side. Mustard on the other side. What likes mayo? Avocado. Pop this baby down. Give it a little smash. Pop it down. Put that as a smash it. Pop it down. Pop it down. Smash-a-roo. Here's these artichoke hearts. I'm gonna put them down like this. Gorgeous. These are delicious. You should eat more artichokes if you're not eating them. I got videos on why you should eat artichoke, why you should eat avocado, why you should eat eggs. All right, a little salt on the avocado, because what do I say, avocado loves salt, and a little pepper. Let's grab that egg. We're gonna put that baby right here. Perfect. All right, the old flipperoo. Oh, center it, press it. You can see right there, seeping out. Let's do the slicer roll. There's the reveal. Now let's get a close-up of that baby. There it is. Fried egg, avocado, artichoke sandwich. Big bite coming up, can't wait. All right, another close-up. Ow. Now a close-up of me taking a big Foster bite. That mustard and yolk is getting me first. Then the creaminess of the avocado and the egg comes in. I taste the subtle crunch of the artichoke in the back. Saying, hey Mike, you know, I'm here too. Oh yeah. I didn't forget you. But the creamy avocado. That might be the pickle right there. Killer sandwich. Check it out for more videos like this. Check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. And check out all my videos. And keep living life 365 until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
Baby, hang in there. Squeaky. Check them out. That's what I said. Yolk's already coming out. That's a big bite. That was loud. Sweet bubble. Sweetest of the bubble. Ooh, all right. Oh, mama. Oh, baba. I need this to purge.